Hello everyone, my name is Daksh. Welcome back to my channel. As the summer is around the corner and the second wave of COVID-19 is slowly getting over, the things are becoming better and will soon open up. So it's time to level up your style game. For that, today I am going to show you the biggest style trends for the summer 2021. Before that, if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk a lot about men's hair, fashion, grooming, fitness and a lot more. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button down below and join our YouTube family. The first trend we are going to talk about is the baggy clothing. The lockdown has taught us to prioritize comfort over everything else. So the baggy shirts, jackets and the jeans that used to be in the 90s are coming back. The oversized clothing is not just about buying big sizes. It has to be elegant, well tailored and structured. And if you don't like the baggy clothing, it's okay. But do not go for the skinny fit. Instead, go for something like a slim fit or a regular fit. The second trend we are going to talk about is the all-white look. Going for an all-white outfit is one of the biggest fashion trends this summer. Wearing white will give you a very clean and light look, and it's very versatile to style with other pieces also. So you should have at least a pair of white leather sneakers and a t-shirt for this summer. But while wearing white, you should be careful because it gets dirty very easily. Next trend we are going to talk about is the above the knee shorts with socks. You will find a tons of images on social media wearing socks with the shorts. The no-show socks are now slowly becoming boring and out of trend. So it's time to wear some shorts with the socks. And while wearing shorts, keep in mind that they should be just 1 or 2 inches above your knee. The next on the list are the cargo pants. Yes, they are also coming back, but with a more modern and a tailored fit. And they are a great alternative to the jeans and the chinos. They have many pockets which makes them functional, and their relaxed fit makes them more comfortable to wear. You should consider buying them in earth tones like the shades of brown or green. Now talking about the footwear, the item that we saw is becoming a huge trend are the slides, or you can also call them the sliders. They are perfect for summer as they are comfortable to wear and will allow your feet to get some air. You can get them in neutral colors like the brown, tans or the beiges. Moving over to the next trend, the florals. A return to the 1970s has been one of the most overarching trends of the last age, and it shows no signs of slowing down in 2021. The florals are great for spring and summer and will add some colors and life to your closet. So the floral shirts are a must-have this season. Now talking about the colors that will be trendy this summer, the earthy tones. The earthy tones serve as a great neutral base to match with the other bolder colors. The great thing about them is that they never go out of trend and you can wear them all year round. This color scheme includes tan, greys, greens and the brown. This color scheme is inspired by what we see in nature, the minerals, the dirt and the stones. The last trend we are going to talk about are the vertical stripes. They are not just about the shirts, they are also making their appearance from shorts to the bomber jackets. One of the key benefits of wearing the vertical stripes is that they will give you a slimming effect by making you appear taller. A lightweight linen or a cotton shirt over a white tee and the chino shorts will give you a great balance of a relaxed and a casual look. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Some of the products from the trends that I showed to you today will be linked down in the description below. If you gained some value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for a lot of good content ahead.